So apparently if you give a dog a chicken egg, they know to be gentle with it. So we're gonna try that out with Piper. Okay, we got a nice blue egg for Piper. Yeah, okay. Good girl. You got an egg. Good girl. She's just holding it. Can I have it back? Can I have it? Drop it. I'm gonna take it now. I'm gonna take it back. Thank you. Thank you. Good girl. She did it. You did it. You loved the egg.